Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed that Let's Put It Together. I know it was fast forward, but feel free to pause at any moment. Um, this is our front cover, and as you saw, we put a lot of beautiful flowers here. We put our die cut on here. We have die cut leaves and a beautiful heart doily. This one says, "This life is beautiful," and I really like that slogan, so that's why I put it on there with the little pearl hearts. I think that turned out really cute. Okay, then our side, we put rhinestones at the bottom and at the top, along with a little girl, tea time girl die cut. On the back, I was getting like, what am I going to do with the back? So I used some die cuts, these little cards here, and then some die cut flowers. I added in the leaves, and then the word adore, along with the pearls. And I think it turned out better than I thought. So that's that. We have a ribbon closure, as you all know. Let's open her up. So we have our flip here, and then two flips on top. This is what we call four corners. And then we have a flip here, like so, and then our tag and a little pocket here, like so. This tag is inside of this pocket, and then these two tags are inside of this tag. I think that turned out really cute. And we have a ribbon tag pull. This is our belly band. We have a doily, one of our tea time girls, and then we have a tag in shape of a flower, and then another tag, and it is shaped like a picture frame. So, very cute. Got to get them in there just right so that they stay perfect. All right. Oh, then we have this ribbon trim at the bottom, and I really like that too. Here we have a corner flip, with a doily and one of our girls as a closure. This one says cherish, and then we have the back of the doily. This one is a nice picture mat. Then we open her up. We have a tag here, a tag here, tea time with a little ribbon there. So cute. Close that. This is all magnetic closures, including this little girl who is a closure for our waterfall, which I think turned out really cute. Not seeing it, huh? We got beautiful colors in this paper pack, or I should say paper box, because it was a huge box. We have a pocket here made out of a doily, along with our die cuts of a teapot. This one says tea makes everything better. Then we have our little tea time girl. This one is a flip through. So here is your closure, which we have a little cake on with some pearls. Then you flip to the left, you flip through the right, and you flip to the left again, and you have a pocket. Each one of these flips is also a pocket, so you have tags in each one. Plenty of room for photos. Like that. Okay. This side here is just a little tuck spot with a tag and some mushrooms, and this one lines up right with the mushrooms to do a little catty corner. I thought that turned out really cute. Then we have this page, which is a flip up held by a pink ribbon. This one says style with a puff heart or puff flower with a rhinestone. Oh, sorry. This flips up. Then you have a tuck spot here along with a tag. And the tag is also a tuck spot. And I'll put one of those little cards in there. And then this is a side pocket with a tag. I think that turned out really cute. And then this flip is also a pocket. So you just pull, it's an upside down pocket, and you just pull out your tag, if it will come out, like so. Okay. Put that back. Our ribbon closure. The next page is a triple pocket or a double pocket with tags. Cute little tags, decorated. Then we have one big tag here at the very top. And they're all different sizes, so you can have small, medium, and large photos on there. This turned out really cute. It's a flip to the left or right, then a flip down, and a flip up. Then we have a tag here that I have not finished decorating, but I will get to it. Very cute, lots and lots of space for photos in this album. This is another pocket with two tags, and they have teapot pull tabs, which turned out really cute. I just place them in where they look staggered. Like so. Alright, then on this side we have a flip to the left, a flip to the right, then you have a tuck spot here with a journaling card. Then this one is also a tag. Pull that out, journal on there. And then this one's also a tag for journaling. Oh, wrong way. Alright, then we have this triple pocket, or yeah, this one pocket that holds two tags, and then one, or I'm sorry, that holds three tags. So they all form a staggered look. Because they're all different sizes, we were able to get that done. It goes back in there. Then we have an envelope page, which is this is faux envelope page because it's not a real envelope. And you flip that to the right. And you flip that to the left. This one to the left. And you have two pockets that have tags. And I always do a little bit more decorating when I'm done. So I'll go back and look at it and say, I could do something more here. Excuse me. This is a ribbon closure. You have a tag up front. Then you have a flip up. You have a flip this way. Then a flip up here. and up here. And then each flip has a small tag, like so. And then this is a pocket, and we don't have a tag for it yet, but I will make one. So this flips back. Oh, and this one flips down. So that's what that one looks like. Okay. Put that tag back there. I'll close it back later. This is the inside back, and it is a flip this way, a flip up. This is where I had that little tear, and I fixed that. And a flip to the right, and a flip down. And you have a lot of journaling and photo spots here. Very cute. I love it. I love working with this tea time. I think it turned out really cute. If you don't know what the tea time box is, please watch the first video and I show you everything that was in it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'll be glad to get back to you. If you would like to purchase this particular book, just email me and I will let you know if it's still for sale. Okay, have a great one. Bye.